Hello. This video will explain to you how to use the free Smarthinking online tutoring service that is available to all Merced College classes through the Canvas management system. The way you get in, you can go in through the portal, but the easier way is just to click on the BV/Canvas button, then click on Login here, and then just log in with your regular username and password. Once you get into your Canvas dashboard, click on the class that you want to get into. Look on the menu on the left side, and near the bottom you will see the Smarthinking Online Tutoring. So just click on that. It'll go through a few iterations and then end up on this screen. This screen explains to you what is available to you, but the first thing that I suggest you do is to go to Support Plus, click on Technical Support, and then go down to Check Browser, and make sure you get all green so that your browser is good enough to use. Once you are done with this, go ahead and close this. You can get rid of this screen. And then this time click on Support Plus again. Go to Tutorials. And there's a few things you can watch. You could start off with watching this video, which is a generic one. Or then you could go down to these videos, which will explain to you more specifically on how to use the various portions of this system. And once you get familiar with this, then I recommend that you get rid of this screen. And then this time go to Study Aids. And then it'll show you what are some of the other items that are available to you. You can go into math study resources, and this will go into higher math also. You have nursing available over here, and business has a lot of materials too. And now once you're done with that, you could go in and start with your writing center activities or try to get a tutoring or a drop-in tutoring. And again, all these informations are explained to you in the videos that are available within the Support Plus.